right, we're on lesson 7, part 2. We're looking at word problems still. All right, using the skills that we learned in the last video, we know if we read this problem, sum means to add, so we know we're going to be adding, okay? The sum of two consecutive numbers is 24. What are the two numbers? When I look at this problem, I know I'm adding two consecutive numbers. So if you're having a brain fart moment at the moment, that means numbers that go in order. So these would be consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I'm looking for two consecutive numbers, and they are going to be equal to 27. So those two numbers equal, and then I have that there so I remember to write them both down. Now I'm going to set the small number equal to x, the larger number equal to x plus 1, and now they are all equal to 27. And I'm ready to write my equation. So I have 2 x's plus 1, and they're going to be equal to 27. And now I can solve. So minus 1, that's 26. 2x divided by 2. And x is equal to 13. And I can put that back in. 13 times 2 is 26. Plus 1 is 27. So I know that my first number is 13. My next number is 14. I would like you to try this one yourself, you're going to remember and then use my part of the video as checking yourself. If you're getting these wrong, come to the help session. We'll do the problems together on your worksheet for practice. All right, so sum again means plus. We have 3 consecutive numbers, so the 3 numbers are going to be up here, and they're going to be equal to 36. So the smallest number I'm setting to x. The middle number is x plus 1, and the larger number is x plus 2. Okay, because we are comparing back to x, so it has to be plus 2, because it would be 2 away on a number line. Now I am ready to write my equation. I have 3x plus 3, and all of this is equal to 36. And now I can just solve. So minus 3, that is 33. And I have 3x over here divided by 3. And now I'm left with x equals 11. I can put the 11 back in. 11 times 3, 33 plus 3 is 36. So I know that I have the right numbers, and that's 11, 12, and 13. All right, again, try this one and then come back and check yourself. All right, the first number, here's my answers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are going to be my answers. My first number I'm setting to x. My second number, okay, thinking about that number line, it would be the next number, so I would add 1. The third number would be 2 numbers away on a number line, so I would add 2. My fourth number, I would add 3. My fifth number, I would add 4. And all of this is going to be equal to 80. Now, I am ready to write my equation. How many x's do I have there? I got 5 x's. How many numbers am I adding? Well, I have 4, that's 7, 9, and that's 10. And they're all equal to 80. And now I can just solve. So minus 10, that's 70. This is 5x. 70 divided by 5 is 14. and then I can put that back in, 70, and just double check. So I have 14 times 5, that's equal to 70, plus 10 is 80. So I know I have my smallest number, my first number, in my sequence of consecutive numbers. And then I can just fill this in. Okay, so please be sure to come to the help sessions if you did not get those correct, and we can work through the worksheet together. Numbers that you do not have to do. So you're going to do, you've already done number 1, you've already done number 2. You do not need to do, why isn't this working? I'll go backwards, sorry. I'm going to delete some of this so I can fit this in. Numbers you don't have to do. So you will do number 3, number 4, do not do number 5. And then you can do number 6. You don't have to do number 7. And you can do number 8, 9, and 10. All right. Have fun.